A key piece of the state's criminal justice sentencing reform is now sparking debate over how it should work.
The issue concerns criminal offenders who want to be released early from state supervision. Mike Dennison reports.
A new law passed last year says if a low-risk offender has a good record on probation or parole, they must be considered by a court for early release from state supervision. But prosecutors and judges have raised objections, saying the law improperly allowed probation officers to file the request. On Wednesday, a group of law enforcement and court officials presented a proposed fix to the process.
This is a legal process, and it is flawed. As everyone recognizes, we really need to make sure that we've got a process that's consistent statewide first.
Their proposal says the prosecutor or the offender must make the request in court. It also says the offender's victim must be notified of the request. A state oversight council on sentencing reforms agreed Wednesday to support these proposed changes before the 2019 legislature, which convenes next month. But Peter Ullman of the Office of Public Defender said he's concerned that the changes don't ensure the request will be filed in court. Labret said he's open to discussing different language, but that the process needs to be standardized.
All of these are being treated differently by district judges and in different judicial districts all around the state. And that's not fair. That's not fair to the defendant. It's not fair to the judges. It's not fair to the crime victims. It's not fair to any of us who work in the systems.
The State Corrections Director Reg Michael also said he's willing to work on changes, but that the original goal should remain to reduce the number of criminal offenders on supervision.
And if we can move ourselves closer to identifying those who don't need to be under periods of supervision for 10, 15, 20, 25 years, I think we'll find the benefit of that buried somewhere within.
Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
And Mike tells us to be watching in the 2019 legislative session as lawmakers grapple with making a final decision on the issue.